Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Analytics 4 for e-commerce growth, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Google Analytics website. Sign into your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button. You'll be prompted to set up your account. Enter your account name in the provided field. Next, configure the data sharing settings according to your preferences. Then, click on Next to proceed to the property setup. In the Property Setup section, enter your property name. Select the appropriate time zone and currency for your business. Click on Next to move to the Business Information section. Here, choose your industry category from the drop-down menu. Select your business size for better insights. Indicate how you intend to use Google Analytics for your business objectives. Click Create to finalize the property setup. Review the terms of service and proceed by accepting them. Once the property is created, you'll be directed to the data stream setup. Click on Web to set up a data stream for your website. Enter your website URL and stream name. Make sure to enable enhanced measurement features for better tracking. Click on Create Stream to finish this step. Now, copy the measurement ID displayed on the screen. Next, you need to implement the Google Analytics tracking code on your website. If you're using a website builder like Shopify or WordPress, go to the respective settings area. For Shopify, navigate to Online Store and then Preferences. Paste your measurement ID in the Google Analytics field. For WordPress, install a Google Analytics plugin or manually add the tracking code to your theme's header. Ensure that the tracking code is correctly implemented by checking your website. After setting up the tracking code, return to Google Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.